He was live, super incredible takeoff from INNSBRUCK Airport, Austrian Alps, UK, 23 actually. Press the buttons on the side of the screen right now. The plane just landed there. Time and digital analog in UK time is approximately 10:31 AM in the morning. In Austrian time that is approximately 11:31 AM in the morning, and it is December the 30th, Saturday 23 guys. Gotta turn around now. Big turn you see here, going around the whole of the runways, end of the runway. That's the end there. Fantastic power and view for you for takeoff right now. Big U-turn, right, turning left, right sharp angle of that 45 degrees or so. Here's the runway. Take on sunny weather for you in Austria right now. Yeah, we are takeoff. Stunning. Slopes we skied down on. It's beautiful, isn't it? It's beautiful, isn't it? Hope you like this beautiful video. This plane takeoff from INNSBRUCK Airport. Please subscribe to my channel, Sundays on the Force, speak with you always. Question about spot the needs of the many and weigh the needs this year. This is my friends Mike and Jimbo on ITF5 here, Surrey Hills Race Show, every Friday, 3 to 5 pm. And this is my friend John on Lara Show, every Sunday, 9 am to 12 pm live on the Waking Race Show every Sunday. And this is my friend Shane for the years every Friday on Surrey Hills Race Show at approximately 10 am to 12 pm every Friday. Shane for the years Race Show at 10 am to 12 pm. We go places, we travel places, guys. These Sky Channel on Sunday Gems. Of course, we always have to watch this video in my baby. We're on the way back to UK now. The 30th of December, Saturday morning. Please subscribe to my channel on Sunday Gems, my baby. Bye, everyone. A long way down. Beautiful mountains, Austrian Alps. Right now where we skied. It's going to be stunning, isn't it?
signs are off in case we experience any unexpected turbulence. Please take care when opening overhead compartments to ensure nothing falls out. This is a no-smoking flight, including e-cigarettes, vapes, and those products that resemble cigarettes. And as a reminder, recharging of these devices or their batteries is
Squash
not
the channel
permitted
on
aboard.
signage, INNSBRUCK.